Hi my dear friends, welcome back. In this tutorial you will learn how to fix screen recorder missing on your Android phone. You can follow this guide easily, restore them back. Let's jump right in. First of all, unlock your phone, swipe the top of the screen to open the quick panel menu. Try to here you can find the screen recorder button. Once you found them, simply tap on it and start recording. However, keep in mind if you don't find the screen recorder button there, don't worry. You can easily restore them. To do it, simply tap on the pencil icon at the top menu bar. After that, tap on the add a control option. Here, you can find the scroll through the page located the capture section under screen recorder. Once you found them, simply tap on hold it. Then drag to the top menu bar and set your desired position. Once you set it, confirm by tapping the done button very bottom and you are done. To check this process work or not, simply swipe the again top menu bar. This time you can find the screen recorder button. Once you found them, simply use it your phone. That's it, you are done. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel. Also like this video. Goodbye.